Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've got the essentials ready: unlocked iPhone, decent charge, and a network connection. Now open Settings and stay on the first screen. This is where Apple ID lives. Once done, scan the top of Settings for your name or the Apple ID banner. If you don't see it, look for Sign into your iPhone. This also indicates whether an Apple ID is present. Make sure Do Not Disturb or Restrictions aren't hiding account prompts, because they can change what settings shows. Tap the banner at the top of Settings that shows a name or says Sign In. This takes you to Apple ID details. You'll see an email address under the name. That email is your Apple ID. If the device is signed out, tapping Sign In will prompt you to enter an Apple ID. Use the email you expect. Once on the Apple ID page, you can view family sharing, iCloud, and media and purchases to confirm it's the correct account, because those services match the ID. To finalize, confirm the email and optionally sign out, then sign in to verify the password. This proves ownership. If you can't find it, check Settings Passwords for saved account credentials or search Mail for Apple receipts that show the Apple ID. If you still can't access the Apple ID, start Account Recovery with Apple. This helps when email access is lost. One key troubleshooting tip: enable two-factor code delivery to another device or trusted phone number before signing out to avoid lockout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.